Okay, well, hello everybody. We got a fun ride for you. One that maybe you yourself is one of your favorites, or maybe you've never seen this road before, but I have a good road review today for you. Issue that I have today is it's definitely kind of windy, so I'm going to do my best to, I'm not popping, or my mic isn't popping. This is going to be a road review for a street called Wildcat, San Diego area. And this is a road I'm going to be taking from Ramona to Poway. Most of the time I do it reversed. I come from Poway to Ramona because from Ramona you then can head to Julian and do much more. But this time I'm doing it reversed, and just because the beginning of the road is actually kind of fun. Maybe you've heard of Wildcat.
God, you just follow me wherever I go. Well, he's just looking at you.
This is I'm going to have a lot of funny reference jokes of Ricky Bobby in this one, just because, you know, you got the cougar.
And no sudden moves.
Like, is this too fast? Yeah, hold my hand.
I'm going to put a Wildcat in it. Anyways, let's have some fun. As usual, this is going to be with my normal commentary.
No one cares!
And let's just have some fun, get into it, okay guys and gals? Here we are. Okay, really quick before I get on the road, I have to state a couple things. This road is somewhat populated. Every time I've done it, I've been put behind cars.
Why are you the way that you are? Honestly, every time I try to do something fun or exciting, you make it not that way. I hate so much about the things that you choose to be.
So I'll tell you right off the bat, for some reason it gets very popular. Second, it's more for scenery. It's really gorgeous. See, Wildcat came.
There's a cougar in the car. Oh, there's a cougar in the car. I put it in there. You got to learn to drive with the fear.
But the reason why is right there. Ramona Casino. That's really why people take this road, because of the casino. So I have to say, guys and gals, be careful, again, going on this road. Sometimes you run into some people that get a little tipsy. And there you go. But one thing about this road, I'm going to label it right off the bat. I'm going to have to tell you, I'd say it's a solid 3.5. I'm not going to rank it a 4, because if it was smoother, I would give it a 4. But as you know, I actually really can't see on my GoPro, this road is bouncy. So this is not one of those dragony perfect type of things. It really isn't. It's really bumpy. But it's a fun road, fantastic road. You've never done it, you want to go enjoy, have a beautiful beautiful night out or evening or whatever, and just go for a fun ride. It's a good ride. You know, this ride kind of reminds me of Ortega Highway 74 in Orange County. It very much reminds me of it. Very similar. Not as twisty, but very similar. Has the same type of bumpy style, lots of good turns and all that. It's just, you know, it's one of those things that when technically you're just noticing when you do as many roads as I have, certain roads start to kind of blend a little bit in the same. That's what this one reminds me of. Very much like Ortega, just not as fast. Might be wondering really quick, you might be saying, well, Clint, look at those clouds over there. Yeah, it's been kind of drizzling all day today. I know it, but the forecast says that there might be some scattered showers here and there, but I'm okay with that. A little rain is okay, but it pours a lot, no, I'm not about it. That just happened. All of a sudden I got in front of the people. I don't know how that happened. I really don't. Huh. Kind of trippy. I don't know how that happened. Look at it though. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. As I said, most of these turns really aren't like difficult, you know. If you know how to ride and you really understand how to lean into turns and, you know, and all that, last second push through a turn, you know, this is a very easy trail to really go. The only thing that, again, the only negative part about this trail or road is how bumpy it is. I mean, there's a lot, you really can't, the GoPro I know won't be able to pick up, but there's little lines, so a lot of those have big bumps in them. So those, you know, I'm feeling it definitely with my bike. So if you went for just a cruise, absolutely, but if you're looking for perfectly smooth, it's not going to be on this road, but it is gorgeous. Beautiful ride. Little bit of a break. A lot of times when you're coming from Poway and from Poway area to Ramona, you're going to actually get a lot of people that are just heading that way towards the casino. That's the reason why they're going this way. So see how that road, yeah, it's a little bit more populated. There's a lot more people going because they're just heading to the casino. So that's why I said at the very beginning that this place kind of gets heavy populated with cars and traffic, just because people are just heading to the casino. So I know it kind of is a bummer, but that's biker life, man. You get on a beautiful road, that beautiful road takes you to some place that's kind of popular. It's just what happens. Going to be actually a couple sections here that you might be concerned about. So passing, it is actually pretty much a solid double the whole way, but there is actually a passing section coming up right up here that you can clearly see, and that will open up. There's a section you really can't avoid it, you just have to wait till it. There it is right here. On the way coming down, I've found out, and this is my second time, most of the time everybody pretty much is going a good speed. Unless you're wanting to rip roar and just fly through, it's pretty kickback. So, you know, unless you get behind somebody that just really is just a horrible rider or driver or whatever. Oh. Isn't it just beautiful though? This is just a beautiful road. Well, we're almost done. Almost. We're almost in Poway. But you can kind of see why this road, Wildcat, has been spoken before and people do it. You know, obviously today it's kind of windy, not necessarily a beautiful sunny day, but you can see why people like to do this road. So it's huge when it comes to like springtime, obviously a little bit warmer. There's much more riders who get on this and go have a good time. And you know, that actually reminds me, can you please, pretty please, oh yeah,
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Please, it'll just help out. It'd be nice. It'd be a much appreciated, and it'll help the channel and know that you guys like this, because this is what really, guys, I like to do, is show you guys roads and different little things you could go do to go explore on your motorcycle or in your car. So please help me out. It's just sort of fun of it, but it really will help make me happy. Whee! All downhill. All downhill. Whee! Okay. Pretty much this will end it going from this section. I, as you know, am going to turn around. And I'm going to do it the other way. I'm just going to try to time so I'm not stuck behind like a minivan. So we'll kill it for here and then we'll turn it around, but hopefully we'll get stuck behind somebody. Hopefully, we'll see. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hold off a little bit. I'm going to enjoy it. Look, I mean, look at that rock over there.
It's not just a boulder, it's a rock.
Yeah, I'm just cruising, you know. This is an older bike, man. And if you guys, by the way, haven't seen my latest video about why I ride this bike, please give it a look. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and film a little bit of this, and main section I'm actually going to film is the heading down part. That's a little bit more fun. Here I think we're going to be stuck behind cars. So, right here, a little fun. There we go. I think you enjoyed that, right? So do you remember that time when I was talking about passing? So see how normally they get all clustered? Of course I'm going to blur that out. Like, So you can actually get up more. It's just once this section is done, it's really difficult to pass from this point forward.
Help me, Tom Cruise! But how? Tom Cruise using witchcraft on me to get the fire off me!
I didn't do it because I can see a cop being right there. Look, see? There's a tribal enforcement right there. There's no way I do a wheelie or anything, man. I'd get in trouble. If you're in this vicinity, I would hit this mountain, this trail, Wildcat, before, oh Lord, before doing like Palomar. Palomar might be a little too steep, too aggressive. There's a couple elements in Palomar Mountain that might just be hard for you, and especially the backside of Julian. Don't even think about that until you at least hit this, and then you can really see where you are. Are you comfortable with, you know, changing conditions, turns, and so forth? See, look, he got the memo. He definitely got the memo. And of course, the good section that I wanted to film, I get stuck behind the car. Ah! There's a dirt bike track out here. You'll see it right in front of us, right here. I thought that was actually kind of cool. I didn't know that. I don't know if it's open to the public or, you know, if it's just a practice thing. I don't know, but I think that's pretty cool, actually. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, again, please, supporting of the channel, give me that big like and share and all that other fun stuff. And guys and gals, really appreciate all the love and fun and, you know, the riding community. And thank you again for giving the video a watch. If you can, go ahead and give this trail or this road a fun little ride. Until then, guys and gals, take care, have fun, ride safe, be smart, ride smart, and of course don't do drugs. And I will see you all another time in another video. Alright, see y'all later. Bye.